Hello everyone, in this video tutorial let's go through wireless sensor network architecture. Wireless sensor network architecture is something that which in turn connects ultimately the user with these sensor nodes that which are distributed in the form of a network. So and in between the user and the wireless sensor network we can have sync and internet or satellite and ultimately task manager node. So that's how users are in turn connected with the top sensor nodes. So this is a network of sensors that which are in turn connected to each other, and based on the physical phenomena that which is being sensed by these nodes, these sensing is followed by processing, and processing is followed by communicating. So the data will be communicated via all these nodes, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and in turn finally this data that which is collected will be sent on to the sync, and sync is something that which aggregates all the data, and in turn with the help of the internet or the satellite it is in turn presented to the user. Now the thing is we can have this in between internet, or we can also rely on Wi-Fi mesh or cellular system for interacting with the user, or we can have direct connection with the user with that of the sync. So this is the sensor field, these are the sensor nodes, and here it's basically a multi-hop infrastructure less architecture, because it's infrastructure less because there is no wire in between connecting these two wireless sensor networks. So all they have is connecting device that which is equipped with an antenna, and here each of these nodes can either perform as a source or a router, and their main job is to collect data and route it to user gateway or the sync. So this is about the wireless sensor network architecture. Sensor nodes are usually scattered in sensor field. Each of these scattered sensor nodes has the capability to collect data and route data back to the sync or gateway, and in turn to the end users. Data are routed back to the end users by a multi-hop infrastructure-less architecture through the sync. The sync may communicate to end user via internet or satellite or any other type of wireless network like Wi-Fi mesh network, cellular systems, and WiMAX. Or without any of these networks, where sync is directly connected to the end user. In wireless sensor network, sensor nodes have dual functionality of being both data originator and data router. Hence, communication is performed for two reasons. One is source function and the other one is router function. In source function, source node with event information performs communication functionalities in order to transmit their packets to the sync. In router function, sensor nodes also participate in forwarding the packets that they have received from their neighbors. So that's about wireless sensor network architecture. And in our next tutorial, let's go through protocol stack.